Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you how you can remove your background from any photo by using PicsArt. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end.
First of all, open the application. Now click on edit a photo. Now select any particular photo you want to remove the background. Now scroll it on your right side. You can see the option of cutout. Click on that. You can see there are many options through which you can remove this background, but the simplest way I'm gonna show you is that you have to click on the option of person. Now you can see here the application has automatically selected the person's footage. Now click on this tick mark and you can see the background has been removed. Now you can add any particular background by clicking on this option fit. Select any color or you can select any image as well.
So in this way, you can remove your background of your any photo by using PicsArt. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.